Hello, students. Today we are going to learn about the phrase so that it's a conjunction used to show cause and effect. Title of the video Teaching so that. For example, the soup was so hot that I couldn't eat it. The word so emphasizes how hot the soup was and that shows the result. It couldn't be eaten. The music was so loud that the neighbors complained. The loud music caused the neighbors to complain. That's how so that connects cause and effect. Another example, she was so tired that she fell asleep on the couch. So shows how tired she was, and that tells us the result. She fell asleep. The movie was so interesting that I watched it twice. The movies interestingly will cause the character to watch it twice. Another example, the mountain was so high that we couldn't climb it. So, describe the height and that shows the effect. It couldn't be climbed. He spoke so quickly that I couldn't understand him. The speed of his speech made it hard to understand, which is the effect. Another example, the box was so heavy that I needed help to carry it. The heaviness caused the need for help. Another example, the cake was so delicious that everyone asked for more. The delicious taste led to everyone wanting more. Another example, the road was so slippery that cars couldn't move properly. The slippery road caused difficulty in movement. That's how we use so that to show cause and effect. Practice using it in your own sentences. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.